Hey, thank you for clicking on that button, that picture, that thumbnail, whatever you clicked on to check out this video. Thank you. My name is Shane, and I am going to be doing a YNAB budget. This is the end of the month budget, and as you can see, I'll have $3,149.61, which includes 1 month's worth of rent from one of the houses, plus actually two months, two houses, two rents, and plus money from my work. Okay, so three things we're going to be learning about today is pay yourself first. Number one rule: always pay yourself first. Well, actually, you do that before the YNAB rules. And then there's rule number three, which is the YNAB rules. Rule number three is follow the punches, or go with the flow. Yeah. So when you overspend, you just got to cover them up with other stuff. And then we're going to be talking a little bit about notes, and hopefully we have it. So I'll see you right now, or soon. Hey. Alright, so what we're going to do is, like I said, the very first thing you want to do is pay yourself first. As you can see, my money is ready to be assigned, and you want to pay 10%. Or before I do this, you might have noticed everything's different. I've got quite a few little reds. Yeah, I might say the story. A few months ago, I used all my money to use as a deposit to buy a new house, which is a mistake. You should never use the emergency money. But anyway, I did it, and also had council rates, quite a few bills that come in, just to make the budget here a little bit more interesting, to show that, even when you got all these bills and all these things you got to pay for, you still can cover it. On top of that, I made a big mistake of buying a new car, thinking it was safer and better than my old one, but it was not. It's costed me a lot of money in fixing it, but hopefully we can fix that car and get ahead just like any other person. Again, emergency money is what you need to cover costs like the car and stuff. But let's go back to where we're going. Pay yourself first. $314.96, which will go into mum fund money. As you can see, I got minus $6.35. I think I really money over. Yeah. $314.96. Alright, so now that I've paid myself, second thing is you really want to cover everything, all your reds, no exception. And quite frankly, this is going to be hard. Okay, so hang on, I'm going to think. So bond deposit. Okay, so they've changed the things to tracking to actually loans. So you can actually go into a loan, and you get this really cool new screen. So yeah, you put in your interest rates, your minimum payments, how much your charges, and and you can work out when you're gonna pay it off. Doing the minimum payment, and you can actually create more and pay your debts off quicker. So it's quite good, really good. I like it so far. There's a couple of things that they need to improve on, but it's a new feature, so it's good. So let's go to budget, and again, like I said, we need to pay off everything. We need to cover off spending. So let's go. Hang on. Ready to assign. So 1,500. Ooh. Okay. Water So I paid. Okay, so what I had was I had two. Let's have a look. Pay off two water rates. So I paid off actually one water rate because I got one water rate for my house and for a rental that I've got. I decided I've got a little bit extra money. I'll pay off one bill, and this is where you can have notes. So I've still got another water rate to pay off, and I still got the council rates 2 times. So that's where you put in the notes. Under notes in the month, you just want to say, okay, what bills you have to pay, so you don't forget them. Until the point where, as soon as you get the bill, you pay it, and then you don't need to use your notes as much. But since I'm behind, I need to use the notes. Okay, so water, I'm going to cover with ready to assign. Same with fuel. Actually, fuel, I was actually going to cover with groceries. So we go to groceries because I've already done my shopping and I still got $92, which is a lot of money I don't need. Anything else? Yes, business expenses. Yes, there's a thing for my course I can do. But I'm going to put that underneath education. Yeah, because it's more of an education than a business expense. And then there's auto maintenance. This is when I bought the car, but then I had to get it fixed, which cost me $1,400 to make it roadworthy. And that's a big expense. And we're going to cover that with ready to assign. Alright, so $132.64 is all I've got left. I'm going to have a look through here, see what I can use. I could... what can I cover that? $132.64. I've got my fun money there, got my electricity... electricity, yes, paid up. Water, that's my water, so I might have to put it onto, where is it? Investments, and put it in this water. Yep. So I go 132.64. Okay, and actually, let me have a look how much that water is. $174.22, so not quite enough. It's not due till next month, so I've got plenty of time for that. And okay, so that's all my money's gone. So what I'm going to try and do is, when it goes red, I'm going to be moving money from another category that is not needed. And in fact, I don't think I need offset fees because that's coming out the new loan thing. Yeah. Well, actually comes out of... Oh no. It doesn't... Oh no, it's offset. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so that's it. That's... I'm going to have a look through, see what money else I need to pay. I can pay... Nothing's really due till, I think, next month. And then I'll get more money from my rentals. And also I got... one person has moved out of my Henderson rental. And I'm finally got someone coming in the first week of next month. And hopefully I can get some money from that, but I won't see any of that money until January next year because they pay me on the 4th and they're coming in on the 6th. So I'm going to be a bit, short on money on that one. But that's fine. I've got money coming from all my other rentals, which will be good. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. Until next time, be a boss.